Hello, thank you for taking time to watch this video. Today I'll be discussing some tools in LMS2 Brightspace and how to create a Dropbox, utilize Turnitin, and create a rubric for your assignments, and then assign that rubric. So let's get started. First, we'll go ahead and select our course. Now we'll click on Assessment, click on Dropbox, and then we will select the New Folder button. From here, I'm going to label this one Week 5 Dropbox. Do 20 out of 20 points. Select the due date if I so choose. And then let's talk about Turnitin. So over here on the Evaluation and Feedback tab, if you click this arrow, you'll see a couple interesting options here. One is add a rubric. We'll come back to that later. And the other is Turnitin. So I'm going to click the Manage Turnitin button. I'm going to enable it. And then I'm going to click Save. All right. Now I'm going to save and close this Dropbox. All right. And this little icon here is what demonstrates that Turnitin is enabled for this assignment. All right, next, let's talk about that rubric. So scrolling up here, if we right click on the arrow next to assessment, you'll see rubrics. We'll click on that. And then to create a new rubric, simply click the new rubric button. All right. And for here, you can add additional levels or um, put in descriptions. One thing we're going to do is change it from a holistic type of rubric to an analytic. Now you'll see you have some different criterion you can use to grade what level the student reached. And if I would like, I can add more. I'm going to add 4 of these. Next thing you want to do is put in some descriptions of what you're looking for and what level of evidence must be demonstrated to reach that level and earn the corresponding points. All right, once you're done with all that, this is kind of what it should look like. And now let's talk about utilizing that rubric. So let's go back to our Dropboxes. Let's go back to the week 5 Dropbox. Let's edit it and go back to the evaluation and feedback tab. You'll see here, add rubrics as an option. I'm going to click that. And instead of creating new, I'm going to select add existing. And then I'm going to select the rubric I want to use for this assignment. Click the add selected button. And now that I'm done with that, I'll click save and close again. And now that rubric is assigned to that Dropbox. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope it helped you better understand how to create Dropboxes, rubrics, and then assign them in D2L Brightspace.